Hey guys, we're going to continue here with Chapter 9, Section 4, where we're going to be talking about spheres. To find the surface area and volume of a sphere is what you're going to be learning. Let's go ahead and jump in. So here's some vocabulary. I need you to go ahead and pause and copy all of this down into your notebooks. A sphere is the set of all points in space that are the same distance from a center point. A circle has a similar definition. It's all points from has the same distance from a given point in a plane. So it's like the collection of points that go all the way around this thing. And if I use all of the points, then that's what's going to create my circle. And that distance between this and any given point on the outside is called a radius. A sphere also has a radius and has that same rule. So all of the points, but not just on a single plane, but all of the points in space is what a sphere is. The surface area of a sphere, that's the area on the outside of the sphere that covers it, is given by this formula, so 4 pi r squared. And then the volume of a sphere is given by this formula, 4/3 pi r cubed. And if we get some time, we'll go over some activities in class that show you where these formulas come from. Again, that's depending upon time. All right, so make sure you've paused and copied these down. Here's some truth for you. Did you know there is a species of antelope capable of jumping higher than the average house? That's incredible. This is due to its powerful hind legs and the fact that the average house cannot jump. It's a true statement. All right, find the surface area of a sphere. It says find the surface area of the sphere to the nearest square centimeter. So in order to do this, we're going to start out with our formula. Surface area is equal to pi, whoops, I need a 4 pi r squared. All right, so 4 pi r squared. So I'm just going to substitute in, instead of r, I'll write 9. So 4 pi times 9 squared. And then 9 squared is 81. And then 81 times 4 is 324. Keep pi. And then we could go ahead and multiply this out by pi. I'll use my calculator here. And I get approximately, let's see, 1017.8760, some stuff. All right, it says to round to the nearest square centimeter, so I'm rounding here. That's an 8, which means I need to round up. So I'd say 1018 centimeters squared. All right, so this is pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of substituting into this given formula. That should be pretty easy for you. Here's one for you to try. Go ahead and pause. The answer will be up in 3, 2, 1. All right, so here is what I got. So check your work against mine. Hopefully you got the same thing. And we're moving on. All right, so finding the volume of a sphere. This is using that other formula that we had from that first slide. It says the diameter of a sphere in a water fountain is 4 feet. What is the volume of the sphere to the nearest cubic foot? So first thing that we need to start out with is our formula. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And I'm just going to substitute the information that I have. So the volume for this is 4/3 pi. And then instead of r, I need to write the radius. Well, I'm given the diameter of 4. So if the diameter is 4, then that means the radius is 2. And then I go ahead and I multiply 4/3 and 2 cubed, which is 32, because that's 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 32/3 pi. And then we can approximate that. You get about 33. This is just putting this in my calculator here. 3 ... Doesn't matter. Nearest cubic foot, so I'm rounding here. The 5 tells me to go up, so it's about 34 feet cubed. All right, so again, it's just substituting into the formula and then working our way down. Really straightforward today. Here's one for you to try. Go ahead and pause. The answer will be up in 3, 2, 1. All right, here's what I got. 33,510 inches cubed. So check your work against mine. Hopefully you got the same thing. That's it today. Extra short lesson. You're welcome. Hopefully you took good notes. I'll see you all in class.